Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today I want to talk about things that you should consider before buying Peak Design tripod. Disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by anyone. This video will be about my negative experience using this tripod. Positive sides are not covered in this video. Let's go! First of all, let's begin with the base plate. The base plate of this tripod is pretty good and square, but there is a downside with this kind of a bolt. Once I was on a shot and I have to do some kind of work, and I took my camera, like this Nikon camera as you see on a video, and it was mounted to my tripod, and I use this Peak Design base plate. So when I was on a shot, I didn't want to take a huge tripod with me because I don't need like a big heavy Peak Design tripod. So I took someone like light one like this. And the problem is, with this base plate, I cannot mount it to this kind of tripod. So what should I do? I should just unscrew this base plate, right? But I found out that I don't have a tool like this. I don't have a hex key. So basically I was not able to use that other tripod because I cannot unscrew it. To solve this issue, I bought a cheap base plate like this. It has this kind of screw that I can push with my hand, and it has a cut. So almost any base plate that I use had this screw with a cut. So I can use a tool like this, I can use a penny, or I can use anything to unscrew it. And I don't know like why Peak Design doesn't just make a cut on this bolt. The other thing that I want to show you like is head. Let's start with level. As you see, first the problem that the level is white, so it doesn't have a contrast. The other thing that I don't really like, usually when you mount a camera, it just covers it most of the times. If you have a cage, like on my A7C, it's most of the time it's blocking it. So you wouldn't see that leveling. As an example is here other cheap Chinese tripod that have it properly done with a green color and on a side. So it doesn't get blocked when you put a camera on it. The other issue that I have with this head is that you cannot mount a video head. Most tripods of other brands have something like unscrewable top, and then you have a mount with like 3.8 inch or something that you can put video head right on. Here you have to buy it separately. So you have to replace not only this part of head, you have to replace all this stand. So basically if you need both heads, you have to take it with you, which adds more weight. Now let's add a camera and see what issues does it has. So if you mount a camera, we can lock it and we can just, like move it around. But there is no portrait mode. Basically it is on a paper, but let me show you. If I need to send it portrait mode, you see, it doesn't let me on this side. So I can do like on this side. And if I put camera like this and I do like astrophotography, so I need to turn it up, but I cannot, you see. So I have a limited range of movement in portrait mode. So I have to put on this side, and here, as you see, I cannot put it up. Or if I'm putting it up, I cannot put it lower. So I have really bad angles for a portrait mode, which makes me buy a cage for my other camera. All other brands had a lot better portrait mode than this one. It has some very cool, neat accessory, which is called mobile phone mount. And basically, it's only good looking stuff and looks cool. Look at this. First of all, it has these grooves, and they are not parallel, which actually brought me to a troubles when I put a phone as a backup camera to record a concert. So all that footage was ruined because of this phone holder. As you see, it holds it angled, and it cannot hold it properly. So you cannot put it right like this, because it will slip away and just, The other issue is that you cannot mount the phone holder, you cannot mount this phone holder to anything except tripod like this. So basically, if you need a phone holder, I recommend you to buy a separate one. What I actually did. Now we have to start put the phone holder back. And believe me, that is a challenge. Because these things, it's triangle, but it's only closed when you put it in the right way. So you see it doesn't get locked. So I have to wiggle around. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yay! Now it's done. It has a really great tool in it, as you noticed. I love it, and it's really looking good, and it has a mount. So I would like to have also a flat head. And the last thing that bothering me is this bag. Don't get me wrong, there is no problems with this bag, no issues. It's done right, it has straps, it looks good, but I have a lot of other Peak Design products, and this bag is great colored. Look at this color of the strap. Now look at the color of Peak Design bag. Now look at another Peak Design product. You see? They all have a different shades of gray. This is like more brown gray, and this is more like green gray. Every Peak Design product has a different color, and you cannot match the colors. So the idea of this video was to make a video about only negative sides, so no product showcase, no usage instructions. You can see all the positive sides in their marketing videos, in the videos of other paid bloggers, because most bloggers get paid for reviewing products. I bought it for my own money, and this is my personal experience, and I actually like this product, but I just want to highlight the negative sides that you can encounter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.